Hello there everyone, Karan here from TechRefs, and today we are doing a review, unboxing and sound test of the Anker Soundcore Mini 2 speaker. I know that there's a Mini 3 available online, but it's only available in the US, not here in India. So let's quickly do unboxing. It says size defying sound right here. Let's talk about quick specs. This has IPX7 rated, so it's waterproof, not dustproof. It comes with about 15 hours of battery life. This can be put in TWS mode with left and right channel. Along with that, this also can do hands-free calling, so you do get inbuilt microphone. It is very portable, ultra portable, easily fits in your hand. And the sad thing is that it comes with a micro charging. Over here you can see in the flap, and it comes with an aux cable as well, so that's another good thing. But I don't know how many people are using aux nowadays. Something good that they have: power on button, minus, plus, and a play pause button over here, along with the Bluetooth button. So if you long press this, it should go into the pairing mode. This all top and this top area, this all comes with metal build. The feet are rubberized, this all rubber in feeling, and this area is plastic, but it's very high quality plastic, so it doesn't feel cheap at all. One thing that you're going to get surprised with the speaker is the sound quality. So we are going to play NCS music, and starting off with 50% audio, because anything less than that in such a small speaker will produce relatively less sound. So let's just play. Alright guys, I'm increasing the volume.
Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you.
say about the Soundcore Mini 2 that hasn't been said online? It's got great mids, great sub bass, which is the low bass, some really clear highs, doesn't get distorted even at the max 100% volume, maintains its audio fidelity very well. The only drawback that I have is it's not dust proof, doesn't come with any carry strap because it's a very ultra portable speaker. That is also its positive, that it's ultra portable, but the drawback is it doesn't come with anything like that. uh, Made out of metal, this can get trashed a little bit, but the quality is like really solid. Like I already said, the sound is just amazing. You just buy this for the sound alone. If you have an ultra small room, great speaker to have. If you want to keep it in your desk, in your study station, great speaker to have. 15 hours of battery life, it'll easily give you 8 to 9 hours, 10 hours of battery life if you're listening to 70-80% volume. You at 50% it's quite low. I don't know you'll be able to listen to it at 50% volume, but you'll have to go a little bit higher. Even at 100% the volume doesn't distort at all, so that's really great, guys. If you want to buy the speaker, the links are in the description down below. I wish that Soundcore 3 also released because it's got that carrying strap. It looks a bit better. But yeah, for now we'll have to do with this for 2500. It's a steal, guys, for this price. I'll also be doing some comparisons with other Bluetooth speakers, the Wonderboom 2, Tribit Micro. Stay tuned, guys, and peace out, guys. Peace out.